Welcome to Kreation Arts. Dear friends, today we are going to draw a realistic 3D glass of water. Our goal is to make it look as real as possible. Stay with me till the end and see the amazing result. First take two cardboard circles, one of 5 cm diameter and another of 4 cm diameter. Draw a cylinder about 6 cm long, just as shown in the video. Then draw another small circle inside the top rim to create the thickness of the glass. Now comes the exciting part. Add some uneven and flowing shapes inside the glass to show the reflection and refraction of water and glass. If you find the video a little fast, don't worry. You can simply slow down the playback speed in your video settings and watch it comfortably. This will help you follow every step easily and enjoy the drawing process better. Slowly start shading with patience. Careful shading is the secret behind making any 3D drawing look realistic. Kreation Arts already has many wonderful 3D drawing videos waiting for you. Watch them, practice regularly, and surprise your friends with your amazing art skills. Use a paper stem or any earbud to smoothen the shading of the harsh graphite lines to give smoothness to the glass. Carefully draw the shadow of the glass to complete the realistic effect. Deliberately leave some empty hazy shapes to show the reflection of water. Reapply the lazy lying paper stump once again to good effect. This is absolutely essential. Take a pair of scissors and cut the drawing carefully as shown in the video. And there you have it, a sparkling 3D glass of water ready to immerse everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please support Kreation Arts by subscribing to the channel, pressing the like button and sharing the video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep improving and keep creating beautiful art. Best of luck.